Hey food lovers, are you tired of using potash to cook ukwa? What if I told you that you don't need it at all? Today I will show you my simple method to cook ukwa soft, fluffy and full of flavor without potash. You will never cook ukwa the old way again after watching this. Stay tuned and welcome back to my channel, guys. Let's get cooking. The first secret to a perfect ukwa dish is patience. Instead of rushing the process with potash, here is what I do. Rinse the dry ukwa thoroughly to remove any dust or particles. Pour it into a clean pot with enough water and add a reasonable amount of salt to it. Don't over put it, then use your spoon to turn it around so that the salt will go round. Then add an iron spoon inside and go in with your sliced onions. Start cooking on a medium to high heat. I learned this process from my stepmom, so shout out to her. The key is slow and steady cooking. You don't need to rush. Keep an eye on the water level and more when needed to prevent burning. After about 1 or 2 hours, depending on the type of ukwa, you will notice it is becoming soft and fluffy. While that is cooking, we'll go ahead to wash our peppers and onions and go ahead to blend it smooth. When that is done, you set it aside. Then we'll go ahead to check up on our ukwa to check whether it's soft now. And at this point, I've cooked this ukwa for like 1 hour 30 minutes, so let me just say approximately 2 hours, and now our ukwa is soft. Let's take the dish from plain to mouth-watering. Once the ukwa is soft, add blended peppers and onions for extra taste. Add crayfish to give it that rich native flavor. Sprinkle in seasoning powder to taste and a little bit of salt. Remember that we have put salt earlier, so now you first of all test them before you add your salt to this. Pour in red oil for that beautiful color and deep taste, and finally add dried fish, well washed if you like, deboned to soak in all the flavors. Now you will cook the ukwa for another 10 to 15 minutes so all the ingredients can blend beautifully. While doing that, remember to stir it on interval so that your ukwa does not get burnt at this stage. Now for the final touch, I'll be using scent leaf for mine, but if you want you can use bitter leaf, but I just want that, that scent leaf kind of aroma. That's why I'm adding it to it. When that is done, you go ahead to set it aside and we will check up on our ukwa. And at this point, our ukwa is well cooked and is already delicious. We'll go ahead to turn our ukwa together. Remember to remove your spoon that you put earlier. So you go ahead to turn everything together so that it will be looking soggy or mashed, like it will give you that poto kind of ukwa. Now we'll go ahead to sprinkle in sliced onions for an extra burst of flavor. Add scent leaf to give it that fresh aromatic finish. When you're done with it, just go ahead to combine everything together, and that's it. Soft, delicious, mouth-watering, full of flavor, no potash needed. This method keeps this natural taste of ukwa while making it super soft and enjoyable. And if you don't add potash to your ukwa, you're not going to purge. Like the only one that when I add potash to any of my dish, I always purge. Let me know in the comment section if the same thing happens to you. Go ahead and serve your food and enjoy. Have you ever tried this method? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in my next one. See how my ukwa is looking now, my dear. Your family, in fact, they're going to fall in love with you all over again. As it's looking, this is how it tastes. In fact, it tasted more than it looks. So delicious. Thank you. Bye.